Welcome to the thousands here today. For the millions and millions watching at home, are you ready for Clubhouse News? I'm Misha Lecter.
And I'm Skeletor.
And this is our 100th episode that somebody knocked over.
If you're wondering why we have the voiceover and it may not go all right, it's because someone turned off the volume of our microphone.
Woo!
On Monday.
Oh yeah, on Monday it's coffee conversations at 10 and 1. At 10:30 is workplace safety. For lunch is beans and wieners, and also when we're playing trivia.
Beans and weenies?
Yeah, beans and weenies.
On Tuesday, it's more coffee meeting at 10. Self-study at 11. Lunch
like
is casserole. 12:45 is our decision-making meeting. At 1 is our coffee time.
And
You see what happens when Bob has coffee?
Yeah. And on Wednesday...
Stay tuned for Tuesday and you will find out. I'm just joking.
And on Wednesday, it's also coffee conversations at 10 and 1 for lunch is tacos, and it's also the AGM day in Charlottetown.
We're Skeletors.
Skelepoop. The boof.
On Thursday, it's unit meeting at 10. Or coffee meeting, whatever you want to call it. Lunch is chicken dinner. Are you a chicken?
Winter chicken dinner.
And at 1 is our coffee making meeting.
Coffee making meeting.
Coffee.
How do you make coffee, Bob?
Coffee making. And happy birthday to Tom Beamish.
And on Friday the 27th is coffee conversations at 10 and 1, and for lunch is meatloaf.
And my eye is swollen.
I got the third eye demon. Anyways, that's it for this week. We're not down with that. We have 2 words for you.
This room is a mess because she wanted to be a fool.
Welcome to Hope Center News, and today on Clubhouse News we have a special guest. Yay! Yeah.
Good. Oh, do I get to sit in here?
You have any question?
How you doing?
How you doing?
I am super excited that this is our 100th episode. Remember when we started this?
Yeah.
We didn't know what we were doing, we didn't have to use the iPad, we didn't have to do
Yeah.
know what to do for the news. Yeah. And the news got really long. We did one episode that was like 9 minutes long.
Yeah.
Just got really
I think our longest one to date is like 10 minutes or 11.
Yeah.
I was a co-host.
Luke does not have to shut up.
Yeah, had some good times on Clubhouse News.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. So what's the highlight for you? What was the highlight? You've been co-host for 100 episodes. You haven't
Oh.
missed
Well,
any. Have you?
99.
99.
Suck puppet.
There's a sock
Suck puppet. That was...
Jared's been here for most of them, but he had quite a few fill-ins. Michelle's filled in for him, and Luke's filled in a bunch of times, and Shane, and I think Julia.
Derby.
And Darby, yeah, for most times I think like someone else to do Darby. So yeah, there's been quite a few people in.
How did you guys came up with the idea of let's make a news and let's make a fool of ourselves?
She came back from one of
One of the international conferences.
one of the
Yeah.
conferences and said, let's do Compass News.
And we had the iPad, we had to figure out how to use it and how to edit it, so it was a good learning experience for everyone too. And it was fun to be creative.
Yeah,
Our Friday afternoons were pretty fun. And guest speakers, we even went to
Yeah, we haven't done
Say
that lately,
easy
but
and
we had
interviewed-
quite a few.
Interviewed,
Bill.
Bill,
We've interviewed Ellen from the medicine shop.
and we did, the driving tour of Allard one day.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we had a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun.
There's been a lot of fun in the past 99 episodes.
Yeah, but I'm, as like, someone who helped start, it's really nice to see that it's still going.
Yeah, I wasn't sure how well it would do after that, but it's doing good.
It's doing good, yeah. Yeah, and I like being able to see the clubhouse news from Ontario.
Yeah, it's cool.
See it, like,
Yeah, we need to think of some new things to do too. We're gonna start doing more interviews. I slacked off on that.
the interviews are fun.
The only thing is, when we do something special, I always, like, poor Darby, you see the one where you're wrapped up in a tarp? And then, well, we didn't do anything too bad to Charlotte, so I scared the crap out of her. But that's what we said, when people leave, that's what happens. You get wrapped up in a tarp or scared the crap out of them.
Oh, we're talking about trashing director's office, eh?
No, we're
Yeah.
talking about when people leave. We do a special on Clubhouse News. We always either we wrapped Darby in a tarp before she left. And we scared the crap out of Charlotte on her last day.
We fruit and pie Jeff.
Yeah, we pied Jeff on
and
his
pie
last
Jeff
day.
about 10 times in a row.
We threw cold cocoa on Tasha on her last night. So yeah, that's what happens when you leave.
Misha was
Bad.
being a diva that day.
Yeah. We gotta get one of Bob being a diva. He's good at that.
Well, thank you for having me on your special day.
Yeah, you're welcome. It's nice seeing you.
Yeah, that's awesome.
One of the founders.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why.
Yeah.